and we start with the monophthong oo, spelled phonetically like this. Ooh. Probably this is the easiest for you. And how to make it with your mouth? Well, first you round your lips as if you're gonna whistle. You push your lips slightly forward, like a little blowfish. The tongue you keep in the back of your mouth, and then you produce a long, steady sound. Ooh. Ooh. We're gonna look at some Dutch words, and please repeat after me. Boek, stoel, koe, doen, groen. De boze koe loeit boe bij de groene boer. Let's look at these three words for a moment. This one is with the oo only, boer. But sometimes students pronounce these two also with oo. But here this is boor, o, boor. Buur, boer.